Hello friends, I'm at it again. I'm going to be working outside all day today, so I'm going to do a quick meal in my crock pot, and I'm going to do chicken and rice and veggies. Well, it's going to be broccoli and celery and onions, but it's mainly chicken and rice and broccoli. So here we go. I just pulled my chicken out, and remember this is real arguable because the company that I got my slow cooker from, my crock pot, says you can use frozen chicken. You can cook frozen chicken in it safely. However, the USDA does not recommend it. So I'm going to tell you that not to do this. Go by the recommendations or call your manufacturer of your crock pot. This is just how I do it. I'm not going to say this is safe with your crock pot, but with mine, it's okay. I've done my homework and I've done my studies on it, and I've called the company, and I've never had any trouble. So, but do your homework on it, okay? Do your homework before you try it, because this is not a how-to, this is a how I do. Okay, so with that being said, enough of the lecture. I am going to do 2 cups. This, by the way, is 2 nice, actually it's 1 whole chicken breast. It's cut in half. So it's 2 nice. Now I'm going to do 2 cups of brown rice. And I'm just going to pour that down in there, right on there. Okay? That's the brown rice. Now, I'll show you this real quick, because this is the fun part. I don't know how much broccoli I got here. Probably not quite a cup. Yeah, pretty close. Okay, so I'm going to fill it. I'm going to do 1 cup of these dried dehydrated veggies. So I'm going to fill it the rest of the way with celery and onions. And I may just put a few extra onions in there. I don't know. It'll be maybe a little more than a cup there. But this is a good way to measure. Okay, so you see that. Now remember, when you're doing your slow cooker, I'm going to tell you real quick. For every 1 cup of rice, you need 2 cups of liquid. For every 1 cup of dehydrated vegetables, you need 2 cups of liquid. So I've got my home canned vegetable stock. So I'm going to put that in there. And this is 4 cups. 1 quart is 4 cups. So that's going in there. And then I'm going to put my veggies in there. And then I'm going to put 1 cup of onion broth in there. That is going to be fantastic. Okay? See how that is in there? And I'm going to turn that on high for the first 2 hours, like I always do, because my chicken's frozen. I'm going to turn it on high for 2 hours, and then I'm going to turn it down on low and just let it go for the rest of the day. It'll probably cook a total of 6-7 hours. So it's that simple. Now, all I'm going to season it with is a little bit of, you know what, I'm not going to put any salt in there. I'm going to put some pepper in it. I guess I should do my seasoning, so you know. I'm just going to do a little bit of garlic and pepper in here. Probably a good teaspoon of pepper. And then I do got minced garlic I'm going to use. Maybe. I got minced garlic here, and I'm going to use about a teaspoon of that. Nice, good teaspoon. Maybe a teaspoon and a half. That's good stuff. All right, there's that. So that's all I'm putting in there. I'm not going to put any salt in there until I am able to taste it. because I don't want it too salty. So that's it, friends. I'm going to put the lid on this. I got it plugged in. I got it turned on high. I'm going to put the lid on it, and I'm going to just leave it go for 2 hours, and then I'll check it. When I come back and check it, I'll show you how it's doing. Okay, friends, I have been outside cleaning my car and straightening up the outside for the last 3 hours. This has been going 3 hours, and it's beautiful. It's all thawed out. So I turned it down on low just now, and there's nothing more I need to add to it. It's perfectly fine. I'm just going to push this all down here in the... Look at how that's doing. That's looking good. My daughter came and she said she could smell it all the way outside cooking, and she's like, oh, Ma's making something good. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like that. Turn it on low. I want to push this chicken. I don't know, it's big pieces of chicken. Anyway, I got it on low, and I'm going to leave it go till it's all done. And when it's all done, I'll bring it back and show you how it is. Okay, friends, I am back, and this is done. And I was going to show you a minute ago, but I couldn't wait to get into it. This is wonderful. A little bit of broccoli and rice. Look at there. Wonderful dish of lunch. Very easy. No fuss. Give it a whirl. Works out well. Thanks for watching.